If you are creating an automation in Zapier that involves the Gmail app, you may encounter an issue. Zapier doesn't allow you to publish the automation. This is because Gmail policy that only permit data sharing with approved apps. This policy is specific to free Gmail account. To overcome this, you can split your process into two separate automation. For example, suppose you have an automation that includes both Gmail and ChatGPT. Since ChatGPT isn't permitted within this setup, you can use a new feature called subzip to divide it into two automation. Here how it works. You first transfer the Gmail content into a subzip. Then, within the subzip, ChatGPT process the Gmail content. Once ChatGPT complete the task, it sends the process data back to the original automation. This approach navigates around the Gmail policy restriction while maintaining the functionality of your automation. Here's how it works. There is two automation. First, we look at the first part of the automation here. It starts when you get a new labeled email. For next step, use subset. Choose call a subset for the event. You will need to select your subset here, but you don't have anyone yet. So you can open a new tab to make a new one. You go back to Zapier and create a new one. And here is part 2 of the automation, which also called subset. Inside the subset, you simply use start a subset as the trigger. Remember to rename your subset. In this example, I call it auto bookkeeping part 2. Then you go back to your first automation. Now in the action step, you can now select your newly created subset. For the input argument, pick the data you want to send to the subset. For me, it is the body plane. After that, you can test it out. Then go back to your subset and test it here. The email content should transfer that to this subset. Since this part of automation doesn't have the Gmail app, so that you can use any app here. In my case, I use ChatGPT to extract the data from the email content. After it's done, you need to set an action to send the processed data back to the first automation. Here, you need to choose return from a subset. Don't forget to test it. Here is the workaround that may help you to solve the problem. My name is Jack. I post weekly tutorial videos on automation. If you are interested in learn more, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.